So we looked at the limit laws, but some other important ideas related to infinity that you ought to be familiar with. If I take, so these are important facts for limits and infinity. The limit as x approaches 0 from the right side, the positive side of 1 over x, we say it's infinity. Now remember, infinity does not exist, so that's just a fancy way of saying the limit does not exist. But it increases forever. But it's an important thing to know. Related fact, the limit as x approaches infinity, kind of the flip of this, of 1 over x, is 0. Now, remember though, infinity is not a number. You can't just plug it in, right? You can't just get there. It's a direction. Sometimes it's right, sometimes it's up. Negative infinity could be left or down, depends on where we're heading. All right. Limit as x approaches 0 from the left side of 1 over x. So from the left side means I have negative numbers. 1 over a small negative number is a big negative number. And again, that's just a fancy saying it does not exist. And this time it decreases forever because of the negative. So this limit does not exist. But it decreases forever. Okay, so important fact. Let's throw one more in here. Limit as x approaches 0 of something like 1 over x squared. Since I'm squaring it, I don't have to worry about the left and right. They do the same thing. That one's just infinity. And because of this fact right here and that fact right here, if we tried to ask about the limit as x approaches 0 without referencing a side of 1 over x, all we can say is it does not exist. We can't say it's positive infinity, can't say it's negative infinity because we didn't reference which side of 0 we are on, and it behaves two different ways depending on the side you approach from. So these are some important facts related to infinity and denominators.